Eva and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be giving you guys the 5 best and quickest ways to rehydrate. But before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss out on my videos. Alright, let's get started. So if you haven't seen them already, definitely make sure to check out my 2 previous videos on the best and worst ways to stay hydrated, so that'll be helpful here. But today's video is going to be how to rehydrate quickly, what you should eat, what you should drink, why this is happening, what to look for, all that kind of stuff. So after any kind of activity that causes a lot of sweating, whether you're outside for a while and you're laying out on the beach, or you're hiking, or you're at the gym, or whatever it is, it's really important to hydrate. So maybe you don't know if you're dehydrated, so I will go into some signs and symptoms, and then I'm going to go over the best ways to rehydrate quickly. So first, let's get into the signs and symptoms. So every cell, tissue, and organ in your body is going to require water to function, period. That's just the way it is. So water helps regulate your body temperature, it lubricates your joints, it transports nutrients, it removes waste, and it even circulates your blood. So you need water, and I think now you can see how most of your body is made up of water because it's used for everything. So if you're dehydrated, then your body can't do these normal functions and it's going to suffer. So dehydration just means that you have lost or you're losing more fluids than you're taking in or replenishing. So sweating, vomiting, diarrhea, or taking diuretics can cause fluid loss. So those are all ways that you can become dehydrated. So children, older adults, or people that have conditions such as diabetes and kidney disease, they are all more prone to dehydration. So some signs and symptoms, of course, are increased thirst, dry mouth, infrequent urination, dry skin, tiredness, dizziness, and headaches. Your urine color is actually a really good indication of your hydration status. So as a general rule of thumb, the paler your urine is in color, the more hydrated that you are. So your diet, medications, and medical conditions, those can all, change the color of your urine. That's why it's just kind of like a little basic way to tell. I'm sure you guys have seen on TikTok or Instagram or Facebook or all these different things, like a chart of like the different tones of yellow or whatever, so you know what I'm talking about. So now let's get into the 5 best and quickest ways to rehydrate. Now, number 1, of course, is going to be water. If you didn't guess it, I don't know what you're doing. So water is the best and cheapest way to stay hydrated and to rehydrate. There's no added sugars or no calories or nothing like that found in water. So when you need to rehydrate, after a workout or whatever it is, this is the drink to go with. For most people, water is sufficient enough to rehydrate. If you're a really salty sweater, you might want to, replace those salts in your diet or maybe grab some electrolytes, but typically water is fine for the average person. Number 2 is coffee and tea. So they contain a stimulant, caffeine, which is known to be like a diuretic, so it can dehydrate you. But in moderate amounts, it can give you some energy and hydrate you a bit. You just want to stay away from like the 200 to 300 milligram worth of caffeine, so 2 or 3 cups of coffee or tea you should kind of stay away from. Number 3 is skim and low fat milk. So milk has great hydration properties, and of course it's going to have some nutrients. It actually has high concentration of electrolytes too. The protein in your milk can also be really good post-workout to kind of kickstart your muscle repair and rebuilding processes. Number 4 are fruits and veggies. So fruits and veggies are actually 80 to 99% water. So this is a perfect hydrating snack. So I'm going to give you guys 8 fruits and vegetables with the highest water content. That's going to be a great snack for you guys to keep you hydrated. So number 1 are berries, number 2 are melons, number 3 are oranges, number 4 are grapes, number 5 are carrots, number 6 is lettuce, number 7 is cabbage, and number 8 is spinach. Frozen fruits and vegetables are really good too. In most cases, they're actually better than the fresh fruit that you get at the store because they will be cut or picked and like flash frozen right when they get them, so they're frozen just as fresh as compared to the fresh fruit that's traveling here and traveling there, and by the time it gets to you, And number 5 are oral hydration solutions. So these are used to help prevent and treat dehydration caused by, like diarrhea or vomiting or things like that if you're sick. These are typically water-based and they contain a ton of electrolytes like sodium, chloride, and potassium, and some sugar. Some of them even contain zinc and some prebiotics. The only thing here is they can help you, but they are expensive. But you can make your own with just some water, sugar, and salt. I'm not saying it's going to taste the best, but you can do it at your own at home. All you're going to need is a liter or 34 ounces of water, 6 teaspoons of sugar, and a half a teaspoon of salt. So you can try and spruce things up and make this taste a little bit better, but you're just going to definitely want to make sure everything is dissolved in the water first before you drink it. But that is all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss out on my videos. And share this video with anybody that you know who needs to stay hydrated. And as always, if you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes right to your inbox, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.